In our morning rounds, reaching for the future, a North Carolina college student created prosthetic hands for kids. They cost a lot less than regular models. Here's the amazing part. He did it using a 3D printer. Anna Werner shows us how the invention dramatically improved life for one little boy.
Ask first grader Holden Moira how his new hand works, and he'll be happy to demonstrate.
When I bend my hand in like this, it closes. When I bend it this, it opens.
At 7 years old, he's become an expert on the workings of this novel device made out of plastic for roughly $20.
It's an amazing $20.
It's an amazing $20.
And normally the materials cost about like $1,000.
Senior Jeff Powell studies biomedical engineering at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. He took on the project after learning about Holden from one of his professors.
Hey, try that now.
He used instructions posted on the internet called the Cyborg Beast, then customized it. The 3D printer builds the parts in under 24 hours.
And at the end, you wind up with is this.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Goal for Holden to be able to do things the rest of us take for granted.
Nice. To be able to eat dinner while holding, a knife and a fork at the same time. Be able to grab onto his scooter or his bike with two hands. Maybe even, swing a baseball bat if we get it that strong enough. I don't want him to be limited by the condition that he was born with.
So this isn't just about a hand for him, is it?
No. It's about enabling him to do anything that he wants to do.
Powell has now started a crowdfunding campaign to raise money so other kids can get the device too.